Hi, this is Gabriel and you're watching the Digital Signage channel. Well, price always matters, right? This is especially true for small and medium-sized businesses, where the impact of regular monthly expenses on the company's profitability is really huge. It is even more important to find a solution with an ideal combination of price and quality. And here is where the Look offer becomes unbeatable with its software as a service cloud-based subscriptions. We have a highly flexible and straightforward open pricing model based on the number of screens you're going to manage with the system. No empty promises or hidden discounts. Moreover, we do not use tricks with cutting functionality on a lower tariff. You enjoy our full range of features regardless of the chosen plan, which change solely based on the number of digital screens in your network. The more screens, the lower the cost per one. You can start with a single screen and pay $15 a month, then grow your network by 5 more screens and pay $13 each. And with 20 plus screens, you get a price of $10, and with 200 plus, it's already only $6. Pay annually and enjoy an additional 10% discount. To change your plan, you don't have to wait until your subscription expires or contact our sales team. You can easily do it yourself right inside your personal account. Just enter the required number of screens on a convenient price scale and the system will automatically calculate your new tariff plan and the required amount of additional payment. You may say, okay, but I don't want to use cloud solution or pay regular subscriptions. What about lifetime fees? There are so many reasons why you might not be happy with a cloud-based solution and related recurring payments. It can be security issues, finances, corporate restrictions, and much more. And the best thing, that with Look.ts, you always have a choice. We offer an option for on-premise deployment on the hardware servers or any other hosting of your company. No monthly payments, pay once and enjoy the same advantages and impressive features, but within your infrastructure and under your complete control. Sounds like something you would like to learn more about? Then check out our pricing page and contact our sales guys to discuss your project in details. All the useful links I will leave below the video, just as usual. And that's it for today. Put your fingers up and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Bye.